Thank you so much for your ghost flower purchase. Our water leggings are fab, right? I'm going to show you how to use them. There's one point on your water element leggings, and that's bladder 37, and you'll find it the very median point between your hip bone and your knee pit in the center of the hamstring. Let me give you a visual so you can see what I'm talking about. It's just about halfway down the thigh. Bladder 37 is super good for helping to relieve low back pain. So if you think of the hamstring connecting up into your low back, they say this point will bring some energy up into the low back and hopefully clear some stagnation for you. So let's give it a try. We love pressing this point and using a little tool. You can take a ball or a block. I'm going to use a block today and put it on its middle rung here. And I'm going to kind of match the edge of the block up with bladder 37 right on that water point. And then I'm going to rock my leg side to side, kind of massaging my hamstring out and working out any tension there. Make sure you do it on both sides, of course. And then we'll think about the bladder meridian as well as kind of our major hamstring channel. So let's try a hamstring stretch to get that energy flowing. If you have some blocks at home, that would be really handy. Make sure your knee is nice and cushioned. We're going to take a low lunge here. The bladder channel runs down the back body, all the way along your spine, through the hammy, down your calf, and into the little pinky toe. So we're going to activate the hamstring by pulling the heel back. So you're going to light up the bladder channel. Keep pulling your heel back the whole time. Sit your booty back into this classic PE stretch. It doesn't matter how far you go. Ease up on the range if you need to. Pull your heel back though, so you're nice and active in your hammy. Keep pulling back as you sit your booty back. So you want to light up that hamstring, light up the energy channel, pull the chi up the back of the leg. Good, and then we'll take a few pulses like that, so you're gently flossing, internally exfoliating the tissue on the back of the leg here, and these seams are really guiding us and reminding us where to activate. Here, let's take last two. If you know me, you know I'm a really good counter. At least I can do two. We can handle that. On the inside of your water element leggings is the kidney channel. The kidney channel runs up the front body. It starts at the base of your foot. So kidney 1 here would be at the very ball of your foot. And then these seams are a 2D representation of how the kidney channel's running up the front body. So we're going to activate the kidney channel here by squeezing our inner thighs together. So get nice and active. I'm going to use my arms as a little feedback system. So squeeze against your elbows. Keep squeezing in with your knees, and then use your elbows or your hands to plug your knees wide to the side. Good. Relax to come back up and together. Squeeze in. Keep squeezing in. You're lighting up that kidney chi and you're pulling it up the front body, and you're plugging your knees out wide. Good. Other way to do that here is having hands on your knees. Of course, pop a blanket underneath your hips or a pillow to give yourself a little bit of lift in the pelvis. And I'd say about 3 more times. It's great to do about 10 to 20 of these. The kidney channel is said to be a calming channel, or to help us bring ourselves into a meditative state. And of course, we want to send our kidneys a little bit of love, so you can imagine those little twin organs in your middle back body receiving some good energy here. Last 2. And 1. Great. That's how you'd use your water element leggings. Let us know how it goes.